Welcome to our walkthrough of Wnwg farm. Just starting the animation here, and you'll see our workshop, woodshed, and raised bed area with a wind reducing fence made of recycled pallets, a orchard area with a single beehive. The concentric design of the perennial beds is meant as a sun trap to try and retain as much as we can of the solar energy. This is pond number 2 with a seating area. We have this is the first of 2 greenhouses, which will be experimental in that we will be integrating aquaculture as well. So we'll be hoping to raise fish and other aquatic plants undercover. We don't really have a problem with the amount of water that we have on site, but we will, due to local regulation, need to keep everything caged and make sure that we don't get any escapees from site. Carp is an ever popular fish in the UK now. The northern boundary will be heavily planted with hybrid poplar and various species of willow for basketry and for firewood. This is the top dam with a gravity fed water tank. This will be fed by a ram pump. The main system will be fed by a pipe. The turnpipes then can be adjusted to alter the levels and the amount of water flowing through the system continually. This is our food forest area, which will include plums, pears, apples, hazelnuts, and over time we're hoping to add a lot of other native species such as hawthorn, slowberry. This is our powerhouse, which will be hydro and wind generation with a battery bank system. Also there were 3 beehives. This is our zone 1 main food garden with concentric semicircular planting areas. The house has 3 kilowatt of solar generation. This is our main pond, which will be for the raising of fish, with a raised embankment type dam, with a lot of planting of soft fruit bushes, which will also double up as stock-proof fencing, because it will also be a semi-permanent goat pen as well. The house has a sun house on the side, which will also give us some useful growing area. Car parking and hard standing, and then leading into the main indoor growing site, which will be again in zone 1. This will be our main food resource, which should allow us to extend the growing season by an extra 2 months. There are recycle bins, our chicken house, and an area that's been planted with lavender around a pig pen, which will allow us to raise hopefully 2 to 3 weaners a year. These 2 main pens will be set aside for animals to be raised, and alternatively we'll be able to use them for main crop areas if we find that the other areas aren't sufficient for our usage. The overall area there shows the main topology of the site, and you're able to see the main lay of the land. Thank you very much.